I would want us to look at how to get rid of mouth odor or bad breath. Now, when it comes to mouth odor, majority of people have experienced it before because whenever you sleep and you wake up and you try to blow air from your mouth, definitely you will notice that there's a kind of bad breath coming from your mouth, and with that one is normal. But if you're one kind of person that consistently every single day you experience mouth odor, even at work or when you're conversing with people, you will notice that people around you always try to ignore you, then with that one there is a problem. And in today's video, I would want us to look at how to get rid of mouth odor. If you are new to this channel, my name is Odour Emmanuel, a licensed physician assistant by profession. The first thing is to brush twice daily, in the morning and at night, just before you sleep. And each of them should take at least 2 minutes. Majority of people, once they try to brush their teeth, maximum is 30 seconds or 1 minute, then they are done. No, you need to take time and brush your teeth in order to remove a lot of debris of the food from your mouth. Take time. Don't rush when you are brushing your teeth. The second thing is that try to clean your tongue when brushing your teeth because most of the time a lot of bacteria and debris of food always land on your tongue. And that is why majority of people, once they try to protrude their tongue outside, you will notice that there's a white coat on their tongue. This means that there's a buildup of a lot of bacteria and debris on their tongue. And that will always tip you into having bad breath or mouth odor. So one thing you need to do is that whenever you are brushing, try as much as possible to use your brush to scoop a lot of these debris from your tongue. Clean your tongue regularly. You also have this kind of tongue cleaners. You can use that one to scoop a lot of these debris from your tongue. The third thing that I would want us to look at is floss in between the teeth. Floss in between the teeth. Now, a lot of these debris of food usually are found in between the teeth, and during brushing you might not be able to remove a lot of these debris that are found in between the teeth. This kind of thing that is being used, the floss, if you are using it, remember to use the thread like end, not the pointed tip end, because when you use the pointed tip end, it's like you're using a toothpick. No, no, we don't want you to use that one. You need to use the thread-like end so that you can be able to remove a lot of these debris found in between the teeth. Then the fourth thing that you need to do is to drink water regularly. The reason why we always talk about you drinking water is because many people who always experience this mouth odor is as a result of dry mouth. And when someone has dry mouth, it definitely means that the person is not producing enough saliva. And saliva is very, very important in your mouth because it helps remove a lot of these bacteria from your mouth. And also, in itself, saliva is alkaline. And these bacteria, they always like an acidic medium. So saliva make it uncomfortable for these bacteria in your mouth to function properly. So if you drink water regularly, that will make your body to always produce a lot of saliva in order to clean up a lot of these bacteria from your mouth. Now, the next thing that I would want you to know is that you should try as much as possible to avoid this kind of food that always cause temporal odor in your mouth, or this kind of strong scented food, for instance, garlic or some onions and any kind of food that when you eat it causes temporal odor in your mouth. Try as much as possible to reduce those kind of food because if you want to manage mouth odor, and you are taking food that is very strong scented, then that always make it difficult for us to know whether the tips that you are doing is actually helping with regards to control your mouth odor, because definitely the food you eat will cause this strong scent in your mouth, and that will always make it difficult trying to manage your mouth odor. If you try all these five and it's not working, then it's very important that you see your dentist, because sometimes some of the actual causes might be some dental related conditions, some other medical conditions too can tip you into having mouth odor. For instance, other medical conditions include sinusitis, tonsil stones, tonsillitis, even some liver conditions. Uncontrolled diabetes can also tip you into having mouth odor. So we need to find out the actual cause. Also, some dental related conditions like the gum disease and tooth decay, all these can also tip you into having mouth odor. So you need to see your dentist so that you can be able to manage the predisposing factor to the mouth odor. So if you try all the five tips and it's still not working, seek the counsel of your dentist or your medical professional so that they can be able to find out the actual cause of your mouth odor. If you find this video helpful, feel free subscribe to this channel for more videos, like this video, and then share this video to many people, because a lot of people are experiencing this mouth odor and it's becoming serious. So share it to someone, a friend of yours or a colleague of yours, that you know that that person, always when you discuss with the person, you notice that there's a kind of issue with how well things are going, then share it with that person so that the person too will learn something from this video. Thank you.